Today I would like to showcase our latest product entitled Coloring Book for Kids. This app engine will allow you to take PNG files and turn them into an interactive coloring book. Here we have our scrollable list of pictures to choose from. Our app supports both vertical and horizontal orientations. So let's select the first one to see what it looks like in practice. On our stage we have a picture we'll try to color in a second. In the top right we can see controls responsible for sharing, saving, reversing and refreshing of our picture. At the bottom of the app, this is our color palette. The colors of both the background and the entire palette can be changed in our CMS, so you can have different color schemes for each picture. Now let's pick a color and play with it for a while. Once we finish coloring, we can share our creation on social media. We can set a default message and link in the CMS panel that will be shared along with the picture we've created. Now let's go back and try saving the image as a PNG file to the internal storage of our device. If we made a mistake while coloring, we're able to reverse single color segments by pressing the arrow in the upper right corner. You may as well refresh the entire image by tapping the refresh button. Now let's go back to the main menu and select a horizontal image for a change. As you've probably noticed, this image has a completely different color palette. Apart from everything that has been presented thus far, it's worth noting that the app supports AdMob's banner and interstitial ad formats as well. Now I would like to show you what our CMS looks like. Under Settings tab, we can change our password. Under Menu, we have to provide the thumbnails for our images. To add a thumbnail, we need to press the Add button, define the orientation, provide the name of our image, and then press Save. We can edit this information by pressing the green pencil icon, delete it, or turn it on or off. Finally, we need to upload our 1400 by 1400 thumbnail. Let's click the category name to provide more information. This is the place where we define colors, message, link, and provide a bigger version of our thumbnail, which will be used in our coloring book. Now let's click the green pencil, and here we can define our colors by choosing them from the color picker. On the right you can see the updated color, and on the left you have the old one. And here we have our link and message we would like to share on social media. Under colors, we define our entire palette that will be used for our picture. Once we're done, we press the save button. Now let's take a moment to look at our application in action on real devices. Thank you for taking the time to watch our presentation.